Good morning, DXN, all new distributors. Heartily welcome all of you in DXN world. My name is Bir Theng Tamang. I am from Nuwakot, Nepal. It is my pleasure to introduce myself as a direct selling coach and DXN health gynotherapist, with a passion for empowering individuals to achieve their full potential and a commitment to natural health and wellness. I bring a unique set of skills and expertise to the table. I am an experienced health expert specializing in helping people in the areas of health and wealth. Using my knowledge of DXN products, I help people lead better health, wealth, and a balanced lifestyle. If you want to enhance your abilities in direct selling, I would be happy to assist you with direct selling business coaching. Connect with me and let me help you meet your health and business goals. As a direct selling coach, I have 6 years of experience in the industry and have helped countless individuals build successful businesses. I believe that direct selling business can be a powerful tool for personal and financial growth, and I am committed to helping others unlock their full potential. From developing effective sales strategies to providing training and support, I am dedicated to helping my business partners' clients achieve success on their own terms. As a DXN health gynotherapist, I specialize in the use of gynotherapy to promote natural healing and wellness. I believe that the body has an innate ability to heal itself when given the right tools, and I work with clients to identify and address the root causes of their health concerns. From chronic pain to autoimmune disorders, I have helped many individuals achieve better health and vitality through this natural and effective approach. Whether you are looking to build a successful MLM marketing business or seeking to improve your overall health and well-being, I am here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for considering me as your partner in success and wellness. Thank you, all of you.